Are you confident your SAP license data would hold up under an audit? Most companies only look at their usage when SAP sends a measurement request, but by then, it's too late to fix mistakes. SAP's own tools, USMM and Law, are designed to measure user and engine licenses across your systems. The catch, they only report what you classify, and if you classify wrong, you pay for it. Here's how it works. USMM runs on each system to count users and products. Law consolidates that data enterprise-wide, removing duplicates and producing the report SAP expects during an audit. Sounds simple, but small errors here can cost you millions. The biggest traps? Classifying technical users as professional, forgetting to exclude test IDs, or double counting users across systems. And here's the twist. Once you send that data to SAP, it's treated as official. So here's a tip. Never hit send to SAP until you've done your own internal review. Run USMM and Law quarterly, clean your data, and recheck license assignments. For complex estates, supplement these tools with a software asset management solution like Flexera or Snow to cross-verify results. At Redress Compliance, we help companies run their own SAP measurement dry runs, clean up user data, and validate metrics before SAP sees anything. If your next audit is coming up, or you just want peace of mind, contact us. We'll make sure your numbers tell your story, not SAP's.